Hi everyone. Today's topic is Salesforce Code Builder. Okay, it's right now in beta version. So first of all, before understanding the code builder, let's go ahead and understand the Visual Studio. For any developer, right now, any developer who wants to work on the code, what they will do is first they will install the Visual Studio. For installation of Visual Studio, there are prerequisites. First, you need to download and install the Salesforce CLI, and then download and install the Visual Studio, and we have to open the Visual Studio and install the extension pack, which is a Salesforce extension pack. Once these all setup is done, then we have to open the Visual Studio, connect to source code, which are the org that I am planning to connect to Visual Studio. First step is connecting to the source org and retrieve all the list of component by okay, then connect to the target org and deploy. So this is what we do. So let's assume that I have a Visual Studio set up, everything perfectly fine. So when the Visual Studio is set up, the thing is that I need to connect to the Salesforce org. Once the Salesforce org is connected, then I can retrieve the list of components from the org to my local system, right? So application, Aura classes, flexi pages, layout, LWC, object, permission set, profile, everything I can bring it to my local system. So this is how the Visual Studio looks like. Okay. Now coming to the code builder. Okay. Code builder is basically code builder is also a development environment. First point, code builder is development environment that we can set up in the org by installing the app exchange. So through the code builder, we can access our Salesforce org or connect to the Salesforce org and bring the Apex classes, everything, same structure, whatever we have in the Visual Studio. Like I can bring everything here, all of these classes, Aura, layouts, LWC, object, permission set, profile, static resource, tab, everything I can bring it. Along with that, I will also have a flexibility to write a SOQL query. And also I can implement the LWC component. I can push it to the Salesforce org. So we can install the code builder. So code builder is managed package. Okay, we can install this managed package in Salesforce org, which are the org that we are planning to implement the code. Install the managed package. Install the managed package of code builder in Salesforce org. In Salesforce org. I know what is the difference between the Visual Studio and the code builder? Because whatever the Visual Studio is doing it, code builder also does the same thing. Okay, so difference is Visual Studio is on premise. Visual Studio is on premise. You have to install it on the desktop or on the laptop. And for that, you need to do some prerequisites. Whereas Code Builder, you need not to install anything. Code Builder, you need not to install anything on the system. On the system, you need not to install it. I can directly log into the Code Builder and start implementing the logic. Right? So I can start implementing the logic. There are some differences, like in Visual Studio, you can install the extension, right? If you go to the Visual Studio and if you wanted to install any extension, you can do that. But in the Code Builder, right now it is in beta version, right? So we do not have, like, unless VS Code for the desktop, we cannot add any new extensions to Code Builder development environment right now. So right now, as of today, we cannot add any new extensions to Code Builder. Right now it is in a beta version. Probably tomorrow it might come up. Because the Code Builder is inherently lightweight and optimized to run in the cloud. Right? And with the Code Builder, we can, with Code Builder, we can work from anywhere. I just need to have an internet access. Right? Whereas here, I need to install on the system, keep it ready in the system. Then also I need to have an internet access. Sometimes Visual Studio, sometimes very rare time Visual Studio. If I connect to the multiple orgs, my system goes down. Anyway, that is setup configuration of the laptop. And another one, unlike desktop IDE, Code Builder saves the code work. Like Code Builder saves our work, right? It doesn't without we explicitly having to do anything. That means it automatically saves our code. Right? And the next one is, right now we are in the beta version. So beta version environment usage is 20 hours. Whenever you install the Code Builder, it starts counting it 20 hours. So once our data and once the clock is run out, like all 20 hours is done, then automatically our data and metadata are deleted because this is a beta version. So that's the reason, in case if you're using the Code Builder, which is a beta version, be sure to push your work to your source control system or deploy your changes to org. So do not wait for the Like, do not wait for the tomorrow or day after tomorrow. As soon as you are done, if you are using the code builder, as soon as you are done with the code, push it. These are the couple of things for the code builder which we have to remember. And what are the highlights of using the code builder is it is fully configured with the Salesforce extension and CLI. And this is a web-based, right? It is a web-based. It will allow a developer to build a code from anywhere. That's what I was talking here. So those are the main highlights. Those are the main highlights. Now, how to set up the code builder? So if you go to the App Exchange, search with Salesforce Code Builder App Exchange. This is not the one where it's developed from anywhere using the Salesforce Code Builder. Let's open the code builder beta version. So here is the code builder beta version. Now this is how you will see once it is installed, you will see the, all of the similar like a Visual Studio. And it is a free version built from anywhere, anyway with the modern web-based dev environment. So code builder is a modern web-based development environment optimized for Salesforce that empowered the teams to build how they want from where they want. So this is how it is there. And Salesforce edition is professional edition, enterprise unlimited. We can install it either professional, enterprise, unlimited. And this version is 0.15.0. Let's go ahead and review the comments. And once you start using the code builder, give a feedback, because based on the feedback, the team is going to implement the code builder further. So most of the comments are, this works amazing well on developer edition org. Most of the members are like, but in case if you have any feedback, you can go ahead and write it. Now let's go ahead and install the package in one of the developer edition. Okay. And it is a beta version. It's a version 0.15.0 and listed on 7/13/22 and latest release is 7/15/2022. Get it? So this is the org that I'm going to install it. So Samskar IT hyphen 60 hyphen dev hyphen ed. It is a developer edition. So let's go ahead and click on get it now. So when we click on and get it now, it is going to ask where we wanted to install, whether it is a production or sandbox. So I wanted to install in the developer additional org. So let's click on install production. So Swapna for Salesforce connected to. Now this will take some time. Okay. So this is going to give me some information, package information, subscription fee, duration does not expire, username is this, all scripts, and this is the version I have agreed, confirm and install. Okay, I wanted to install in developer edition. So Samskar 86C dev -ed -. Okay, so when we click on this, it is going to give us a three options: install code builder beta. Who is the access that whenever we install it, whom all we wanted to give the access? Install for only admin, install for all the users, install for specific profile. I'll go with admin only for now. Okay, so what are the app I'm installing it? Code builder. Publisher is Salesforce. Version is 0.15 and version number is 0.15. And what are the components? It is going to give me the list of component that is going to install whenever I click on the install. So it is going to install the fields. There are 8 fields and the object is workspace. It is going to create a workspace, session data. So these are the objects that it is going to give us, and pages, lightning web component, lightning message channel, and so these are the components and the code, Apex class code. So there are few codes which it is going to install it. This is a brand new component. So these all are new components. And also we are going to get some tab, code builder dashboard, workspace manager, environment. And also there is an app that is going to create it, code builder app, it is going to create it. And objects, session data, environment. These are the different resources that we are going to get it. And this is the permission set. Okay, so now here, the one which we need is, which is very important, is the app. As soon as I install this app, I'm going to get a code builder app. And also it is going to give me the code builder permission set. Because whenever I install this particular code builder, we have to give a permissions to the list of the users that we want, like whoever is the developer, whomever we are requesting to work on this code builder, we have to give the permission. This permission set should be assigned. Now, perfect, there is nothing harm here. Only the thing I need to cross check, app is going to create it and the permission set is going to create it. Now click on install. And as soon as I click on install, it says that approve third-party access. So this is a CSP trusted site. So go ahead and say yes, grant access to this third-party website. Click on continue and installing and granting access to admins only. So it takes some time. Let's wait it. Okay, installation is complete. So click on done. Perfect, installation is done. As soon as I click on done, it took me to the installed packages. So in the installed packages, this is a manage, license, code builder beta, Salesforce version 0.15, code builder, active status, and the license unlimited. There is no use license for now, and it doesn't expire. Install date is today's date. And apps are one app, it is created, and 3 tabs, 2 objects, and app exchange is ready. That's cool. Let me go ahead and check for permissions. So let's go to the permission set. Okay, the one which I'm looking for, code builder. This code builder is created today whenever I install the App Exchange. Now the thing is this manage assignment. Okay, nobody is there. So what I'll do, I'll click on add assignment. So I'll take myself here, Swapna. Okay. So like this, whomever you want, just give them the access. Let's click on assign. Done. This permission set is assigned. That's cool. Let's switch to the Lightning experience. Okay, so here click on this app launcher and search for code builder beta. See here, one app is created, code builder beta. Click on that. No, as soon as you click on the app, so it is going to show me the by default code builder dashboard is going to show welcome to the code builder Swapna. Access your development environment from anywhere. Visit Trailhead, explore documentation, provided the feedback. And thank you for being a beta tester. Because right now we are testing the beta version. So you will have 20 hours to test your code builder environment, after which it will self-destruct. Do not worry, we will warn you when you are getting it close to the end of your trial. So that's good. I have a 20 hours to test this beta version. Let's click on get started. Now, whenever we click on get started, it is going to ask you two things, because we are going to create a new code builder environment. Whenever we wanted to create a new code builder environment, it is asking us to choose if you have already SFDC project in the GitHub, import it from the GitHub. Otherwise, start new project. So for me, it is a developer edition, so I'll click on a new project. So let's give the project name code builder, and the project type. There are three types: are there standard, empty, analytics. So I'll take the standard, click on next. Now here, when we click on in next, it is going to ask me what is the sandbox that you are connecting to. Is it a development org? Is it a sandbox org? So for me, it is a development org. So I'll choose this. And here it is the one. So it is asking me to allow, yes. See, here it is connecting my code builder with the Salesforce org. The connection is happening. See, org successfully connected. If you want to disconnect it, click on this disconnected. For now, I want the org should be connected to the code builder. So click on next. Org alias my dev hub org, or you can say, let's give the same name, my dev hub org. So click on create. Now it is creating the environment. See here, as soon as it starts creating the environment, it says that 20 hours is remaining. From now, it is going to start calculating the 20 hours. And when it will expire, it will expire on August 15, 2022. So that means it is exactly 1 month. It is going to give me the access, right? And the code builder created Saturday, July 16th, today, and last access never. And it is creating an environment. Perfect. If you click on arrow, it shows delete, rename, whatever you want, you can do it. So let's keep it this way. So it is going to take some time. So sometimes it takes 30 minutes, sometimes it takes quick, sometimes it takes 10 minutes. So right now we are in beta version. So it might take some time because we are testing it. So let's wait for the completion. So code builder dashboard is installed. It's perfectly fine. Right now it is 17:53 hours remaining. Now once it is set up, you will see the launch button. So click on launch button. As soon as you click on launch button, code builder is starting up. So it is implementing it is building up the code builder. It takes some time. Just wait for 2 minutes. See, once it is ready, then this is the screen you will see it starting. Now here you see all of them, it came similar to the Visual Studio. See, you agree that Salesforce extension for VS Code may collect usage information, user information, and crash report for the product improvement. Let's close all of this. And once it is installed, now we can see here package. And see nothing is there. Classes, nothing is there. We have a SOQL, account SOQL. Perfect, but let's implement the LWC here and see what is happening. So this is similar like Visual Studio, right? Control Shift P, SFTX, authorize and or custom. Let me copy this. My dot salesforce.com. Enter. So opening the art. It automatically collected the code. So this is the org that I have installed it. So continue. Okay, so now our authorization org is successfully ran, perfectly fine. Let me go ahead and implement new LWC component. So we will write a sample LWC component, will not write. So let's take a new one, Control Shift P. SFTX, create Lightning Web Component. Let's give it as a hello. Hit enter. Yes, that is the place. And it created the hello LWC. And if I open it, it created the HTML and JS metadata file. So if we go to the HTML, by default, it gave me the template. Now inside this, let me add Lightning. See, here it is, the options it is showing me. Title equal to hello. And also I can give icon name. And this is a custom. Let's give some custom 14. Perfectly fine. See, automatically it came the end. Now inside this, let's give there. Okay, there class, let's give the class SLDS hyphen var hyphen medium around medium. Fine. So here the text is hello code builder. Fine. So hello code builder, this is my first LWC component. Let's save this. So once we are done, go to the metadata. Obviously, we have to make it as it is exposed to true. And in case if you wanted to add this into the page, then we have to add the target. Targets inside the target. See, it is automatically displaying the app page. And then target, Lightning home page. Let's save this. Now I'm done with that. Now let's deploy this. Okay, if you right click on this, hello, deploy from project to org. Deploy source to org. Okay, I'm clicking on deploy source to org. So running it, deploy source to org. Perfect, it is saying that it is done. So let me go here, Lightning component. Okay, do I have a hello LWC? Yes. Created today. Right, so let me drag and place it into the some home page. Let's duplicate this page. And let's connect it to the sales console. Edit the page. What is my component name? Hello. Yes, this is the custom one which we have implemented right now. So let's paste it here. Perfect, save. Activate. Done. Let's go back. Hard refresh. Mhm. Takes some time. Let's do one more time. Duplicate. Edit the page. Builder. Okay, did not take it. Let's add it again. Hello. Custom page. Let's say activation. Okay, assign org. Let's save it. System default. It is saved perfectly fine. Let's refresh. Hello. And this is the custom coding icon that we have taken. Hello code builder. This is my first LWC. So perfect. So we need not to install the Visual Studio. We can just install the code builder, connect to the Salesforce, or we can use it. We can implement the logic just having the internet access without downloading anything. And we have a SOQL here. Script. So if I'm writing select, I become name from contact. Let's select this. Ship P, SFTC, execute. I do not have. Control Shift P, SFTX, colon. Code builder guide. Manage your connected org. Run a SOQL query. So for running a SOQL query, open SOQL builder. So we have to write Control Shift P, SOQL, execute the SOQL query, or create a query in SOQL builder. So it will open up the new one. And here I can load from object, account object, and all the fields, active, building city. I can pick whatever the fields that I need. Okay, see here it is building up, and active equal to, let's say, true, yes or no. See, it is suggesting me that what is the value that is expected. Yes. Okay, it added here, order by, created date, and direction ascending, add limit 20. Okay, run a query. See, I can export into the CSV, save it in CSV, and save it in JSON. Right? So that is the one option for the SQL you can directly run in Code Builder. And another one, let's go back to the welcome page. Manage your code, we know right now. Run a SOQL query, we know. Browse your org metadata. So this org metadata browsing is similar to the what we used to do in the Visual Studio. So same thing. Nice. And we also have a trailheads. So visit a trailhead. Just click on this Code Builder. Quick look. Okay. And also developer beginner trial. So you can try here also. There is something which is available. So it is suggesting me two trailheads. One is the Code Builder for people, developer beginner trial. So that's the beautification of Code Builder. We can do everything here. Manage the code, run a SOQL query, right? Nice. Package license, it is giving everything. Permission set groups, profile. For reports also it has reports. Basically everything, whatever there in the Salesforce, all the objects it is giving me skill requirements, say solution feed, static resource, time slot, third party account link. See all the information it is giving: user login, user license, user feed, user package license, voice call. It's giving me all the objects whatever exists in the Salesforce. Fine. So if you wanted to pull everything, you can update the package.xml that it exists in the, where it is. This is the post.com. Script. So I need to try it more on this code builder. There are a lot of things which we can explore it, but during the while using this code builder, if you have any feedback, you can provide the feedback here. So you can submit your feedback in the code builder repository. Okay then. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.